Hi friends, based on previous lecture we are going to continue various functions in Python language. The first one is always that functions can be represented as with the help of that keyword is def, the small letters def, define. So I am taking that my function name is Kotesh. Always that function can be represented as with brackets and colons. Next I am writing that print of my name is Koteswara Rao. So this is the function. So this is actually creating function. After creating function you have to call. That call function is you have to start the starting column. So then I can write that my function name is Kotesh, and you can take the brackets, not 0. Okay. So after that, after execution of this program, you will be get the result is my name is Koteshwar Rao. Like that you will be get. So these first two lines are creating a function. Third line is calling a function. So like that you have to represent. Next one is arguments. So as we discussed in earlier topic, this is actually extension of that. So how can you implement that? Is the arguments. Information can be passed into functions as arguments. So generally same concept. I am representing as this here. My function name is Kotesh, and within the name I prefer that my that is actual name. After that I can write that instruction is print of that my name is here name. Okay, that is a variable name, and plus in single quotation or double quotation you may take. So this is actual argument. So you have to call that the information can be passed into functions as arguments. Like that you can take. After calling this, you have to execute this. But you didn't get any response. What is the meaning of this? Already you mentioned a variable name. So that's why you have to have the type of variable name. Okay. Something I am writing this. That is. So here name is replaced by this academy. Then only you will be get. So that is academy. Like that you have to represent. Otherwise, if you want to create a gap between this, then once again you can take in single quotation and plus symbol. After execution of that, you will be get one. Sorry. Okay, this is actual combination of these two. Next one is, so next time you may take another function also. For example, Kotesh, that function is project. After calling this, you will be get both two values. So like that you can take. Next Kotesh and one is college. After execution of this you will be get the result. Like that we can adding these two functions. Okay, that is the concept of arguments. Next one is parameters and arguments. So what is the meaning of these parameters and arguments? Can be used for that same thing, but sometimes you may call based on the some parameters, and that is also called as arguments. So for example, number of arguments. Okay, we have the same definition. The definition is a def, that function is Kotesh, and I have two value. One is name and another one is surname. nickname. Like that you can define this. This is the first one is definition and the function name, and there are two parameters, I mean arguments here. One is name, another one is nickname, like that you can do. After that, adding of these two, so print of the first one is name. After adding this, so if you have to have some space between this, then you can take double quotations. After that, adding plus, then that one is nickname, like that you can take. So this is like these two lines are creating the function. After that, you have to call that function, that is quotation. What is the meaning of this? That is actually next automatically you have to give that name is code, that is code, sorry, project and comma and academy. So I am giving two items in the function of quotation. Automatically it will be get the result is project and academy, like that. So here name is replaced by project and nickname is replaced by academy. That is the concept of number of arguments. Okay, next one is arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments, just now I explained that if the number of arguments is unknown, add a star before the parameter name. For example, in this function we have two values. At this moment we prefer that star mark. Okay, after that you can remove these values, like that. So now I would like to print this is print of, in this case my name is, that is enough only, my name is single quotation close. Next, so that is name of, if the name where parameter name having many items, so in that item I prefer that only second one, that's why that index number is 1. Okay, next after that, if you are giving that file name is quotation, and the quotation contain, there are many, there is a project, academy and online, there are. So actually quotation having 3 items, project, academy and online. Among them we prefer only that 0 position is the first one, 1 is nothing but it indicates second one. Now I would like to extract only academy, so my name is academy, like that you can. After execution of this line we will get my name is academy. Okay, for example, if you want to give one space between these two words, at this moment I prefer that plus symbol, take double quotation.